Hi. So to make a appointment with your counselor, it's very easy. The first thing that you're going to do is you can go to the Hood River Valley High School homepage. You're going to click on Counseling and Summit. Go to the Counselor and Registrar's Office page. Right here is the counseling staff. And then you're just going to look and see which one is my counselor. And once you find your counselor, you will see that we each have a Calendly link at the bottom. You will click on the Calendly link. Yes, my hair is longer now. And that'll open up a page that looks something like this. We're talking about sophomores right now, so sophomore class meeting. Click on that. The calendar will pop up. You'll say, oh, I think I want to meet with my counselor next Wednesday because I have time then. Let's see what time she has. And you'll look and see all of the times on the side that we have available. If you have a study hall during your class time, you can make an appointment with us there. Or if you just want to come before class or after class, you can click on it, confirm it, and your information will go in there. And this is a Google Meet. So we will pop in together at a Google Meet and get to know each other. So that's how simple it is. So make an appointment to see your counselor as soon as you can. Thanks.